ना इधर की बात।
ना उधर की बात।
रोटरैक्ट क्लब ऑफ अंबरनाथ पेश कर रहे हैं।
मुद्दे की बात।
तो दोस्तों, आज का मुद्दा है पीस, जिसे हिंदी में शांति और मराठी में शांतता इन नामों से जाना जाता है। तो आइए देखते हैं डिक्शनरी इस शब्द के बारे में क्या कहती है। पीस, अ स्टेट और पीरियड इन विच देयर इज नो वॉर और अ वॉर हैज एंडेड। तो क्या यही मतलब होता है पीस का?
So guys, as you know from seeing the intro of the video, we are going to talk about peace. Now what about peace exactly are we going to talk about? See, the word peace can be broken out to two meanings. One is the social political aspect of the word peace, and second is inner peace, the psychological aspect of peace. And this psychological aspect of peace can bring about the first type of peace which we are talking about, the peace we want to see in the world. So, now my co-host Vishal Rathod will explain more about the social political aspect of the word peace is. Over to you Vishal Rathod.
सोशल पीस। हमारा देश भारत काफी पहले से पीस, हार्मनी इन सब चीजों के लिए जाना जाता है। देयर वाज अ टाइम व्हेन द वर्ल्ड वाज डिवाइडेड इनटू टू पार्ट्स। कुछ लोग यूएस के गट में थे और कुछ लोग रशिया, बट इंडिया वाज वन ऑफ द नेशंस हु वाज नॉन अलाइंड, which ultimately meant we were there for peace. इतिहास गवाह है दोस्तों कि जंगें कितनी भी हो, उनकी सुलह बस एक चीज से हुई है, बातचीत और पीस, हार्मनी। बात जब शांति, अहिंसा और सत्याग्रह की हो तो महात्मा गांधी जी का नाम आना साहजिक है, जिन्होंने ब्रिटिश जैसे बड़े साम्राज्य को अपने तलवों पे ला रखा था। तो ऐसे ही जब पुराने दौर में भारत ने इतनी बड़ी बड़ी चुनौतियों को सामना दिया था एक छोटी सी दोधारी तलवार से, जिसका नाम था शांति और इंग्लिश में जिसे कहते हैं पीस। तो क्या आज के जमाने में जब हम बैर ले रखे हैं, बैर किस किस जात के बैर? इंसान का इंसान से बैर, वो भी किस जात का बैर कि तू इस राज्य से है, तू उस राज्य से है, तुम्हारी भाषा ये है या तुम्हारा रंग वो है। क्या इन भेदों के साथ एक मानव मानव की तरह नहीं जाना जा सकता? क्या हम ये शांति का संदेश दूसरों तक नहीं पहुंचा सकते? ये हमें जानने की और समझने की सख्त जरूरत है दोस्तों। दिस इज व्हाट वी नो एज सोशल पीस।
Now that we have got to know about the social aspect of the word peace and its meaning and importance, let us get introduced with the psychological aspect of the word peace. Now if we'll ask any person, any rational person or any reliable source, the word peace is often goes hand in hand with the word tranquil. Now, tranquil is to some extent a similar word and has a similar deep meaning with peace, but in the dictionary, truce is given as a synonym for peace. Now, what is truce? See, truce is an argument which saves a fight. Is peace just absence of fight? No. Peace is very much longer lasting than just that temporary fixation. So what is peace and how can we accept it? How can we bring about peace in the whole world? What can we do to bring peace? Just one word: smile. Yes, you heard me right. Peace begins with a smile. It is said that a smile can light up a room. So imagine what a world full of smiles can do. It can create a ripple effect, just like when you throw a small pebble in a pond. First, the ripples are very small, but as it goes higher and higher up, the ripples are visible and the whole pond is now present with ripples in it. So, if we'll just start this small change of smiling, of apologizing and accepting apologies from other people, and also helping them, being kind, we can bring about the change we want to see in the world. We can bring upon peace. Now, many people know the meaning, the dictionary meaning of the word peace, but only a few understand its deep meaning. If there's no peace, there's no progress. Now, if personally I have to tell what peace means to me, I'll just say peace is a feeling that there's everything right in the world. And when everyone around me, in my family, in my surroundings, in my neighborhood, are happy, eager to love, accept and relate to all their feelings and emotions. To me, it means following what my heart says and sharing mutual trust and respect for the people around me and with me. And that is what peace truly means, and that this peace is achievable. It's quite achievable and within our reach. So what is stopping us from smiling? Yes, my dear friends, the day we start smiling, the day we start accepting, the day we start forgiving is the day we will bring about peace. That's all from my side and my co-host Vishal's side. We would like to end this video with a positive note of peace begins with smile. So keep smiling and be peaceful and make the world a peaceful place to live in. Thank you.
In the words of Jimi Hendrix, when the power of love overwhelms the love for power, the world will know peace. तो ये थी दोस्तों बात पीस की. तब तक जुड़े रहिए हमारे साथ और देखते रहिए मुद्दे की बात.